Perfume. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of perfumes. In this first chapter, we'll explore the fascinating history of perfume, from its origins in ancient civilizations to its evolution into an art form. Get ready to be captivated by the stories and secrets behind those enticing fragrance bottles. Fragrance families. Now that we know a bit about perfume's history, let's delve into the different fragrance families. From fresh and citrusy to floral and woody, each family has its own unique characteristics. We'll explore the notes that make up these families and discuss popular perfumes that fall into each category. Get ready to discover your signature scent. Perfume ingredients. Have you ever wondered what goes into making a perfume? In this chapter, we'll uncover the secrets of perfume ingredients. From essential oils to synthetic compounds, we'll explore the science behind creating those alluring fragrances. You'll be amazed at the artistry and precision that goes into craft. Perfume notes. Now, let's talk about perfume notes. Perfumes are composed of top, middle, and base notes, each playing a crucial role in the overall scent experience. We'll discuss the different notes found in perfumes, their characteristics, and how they interact to create a harmonious blend. Get ready to expand your olfactory knowledge. Perfume application techniques. It's time to learn the art of applying perfume. In this chapter, we'll explore different application techniques and discuss where to spray perfume for maximum impact. We'll also touch upon layering scents and how to make your fragrance last longer. Get ready to become a perfume application pro. Perfume and mood. Did you know that perfumes can evoke different moods and emotions? In this chapter, we'll explore the psychology of fragrance and how it can influence our state of mind. We'll dive into the world of aromatherapy and discover how certain scents can uplift, relax, or energize us. Get ready to enhance your mood with the power of perfume. Perfume collecting and storage. Are you a perfume enthusiast or collector? In this chapter, we'll discuss the art of perfume collecting and storage. We'll explore tips on building a fragrance collection, preserving the scent integrity, and displaying your bottles in style. Get ready to take your perfume passion to the next level. DIY perfume making. Ever wanted to create your own signature scent? In this final chapter, we'll embark on a DIY perfume making journey. I'll guide you through the process of blending various essential oils and creating a unique fragrance that reflects your personality. Get ready to unleash your inner perfumer. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube series and learned something new about the fascinating art of fragrance. Remember, life is too short to smell ordinary. So, go out there, embrace your unique scent, and let it become a part of your beautiful story. Until next time, stay fragrant and I'm glad you're excited. Let's dive into the first chapter, Introduction to Perfume.